Hi, my name is Paul and welcome to today's video. If you enjoy this video, then please like and subscribe to the channel. And today we're talking about the ketogenic diet. What's that? Well, it's based on a high-fat, low-carb diet which has been shown to have some amazing benefits for your body. It can help with weight loss and brain function, but also helps reduce inflammation in your body, which can cause problems like heart disease or diabetes. So if you've been wanting to start eating healthier, then this video will show you how. Ketogenic diets are all the rage right now, and for good reason. This diet is based on a high-fat, low-carb intake which has been shown to have some amazing benefits for your body. Keto is the new, healthiest way to lose weight and fight disease. It has an amazing impact on your metabolism and can help you avoid many of life's worst diseases like cancer. Switching from carbs to fat and protein is an exciting opportunity. Here's what you need to know about keto. It'll help your body go into ketosis, which will get rid of the carbohydrates that are stored in your liver for energy. This means a decrease in water weight too. You can still eat delicious foods like bacon and other keto-friendly items without feeling guilty because they're full of healthy fats and not sugar or processed junk food. Who doesn't want more bacon? It has always been recommended that you follow a healthy diet consisting of low carbohydrate intake, balanced with reasonable amounts of fats and proteins for sufficient nutrition. Well, now it can be even better because this new study found that the best eating plan is one where carbs are limited to just 50 grams per day. They call it extremely or very much a ketogenic diet, which helps your body start using up fatty acids more efficiently as fuel rather than glucose from carbohydrates in order to produce energy instead. The best part about the ketogenic diet is you don't have to count calories or carbs, which makes it so much easier. It's no secret, people love counting their macros and trying out new recipes as a way of tracking food intake, but this gets exhausting fast. Especially for those who are just starting on keto, because they can feel like there isn't any point in cooking if all your meals seem to be plain chicken breasts with broccoli every day. But thankfully I've come up with 5 different ways of making keto-friendly dishes while still sticking within my macro goals. How many different ways can you think of to make keto-friendly dishes while still sticking within your macro goals? I know that there are 5 possible solutions right off the top of my head. The first one is a chicken salad with feta cheese and some extra protein from walnuts. Next up, we have rice noodles in peanut sauce topped with scallions for an Asian flair. Then, go classic American cuisine by making mashed potatoes out of cauliflower. It tastes just like potato. Fourthly, how about pizza made on crustless naan bread stuffed full of veggies or low-fat cottage cheese mixed into marinara sauce? Last but not least, spaghetti squash pasta tossed in garlic olive oil with each strand becoming uniquely its own. It's low-carb, high-fat and moderate protein. So there you have it, 5 simple keto dishes to get started. If you want a more detailed and personalized plan, then please click the first link in the description below. Good luck and thanks for watching.